Hey everyone, I hope all are doing well. So today I'll talk about how you can get a good qualified traffic on your website to monetize your blog website and start generate your revenue as soon as possible. Because I said in the recent video that I have made 24.23 dollars from Monitech, and I have made that amount by the Taboola. I have paid to Taboola to run my campaign, and I drive some traffic on my website, and the website give me a good amount of revenue. So if you are looking for a good quality traffic, don't waste here and there, just be on Taboola and get a good amount of traffic, and that will be perfect for your blog. Because Taboola has a lots of good amount of traffic that you can get through the Taboola, but you have to be more decent and more relevant to your content and your blog website, where you can able to get traffic. Because Taboola don't give you direct traffic, but it give you a referral traffic. Because if you run a campaign on Taboola, the Taboola content, if your content is good and it's eye catchy and user will click on it, then you will get traffic. So I will recommend you to make a good website and make some quality full content that will attract people by clicking on the Taboola ad. So if you are not getting any kinds of traffic on your website, then I would highly recommend you to use Taboola, because you will get a cheap amount. You will spend cheap amount and get high quality traffic, because Taboola will offer you the world best traffic for your blog. So if you wanna get, then you can create account on Taboola. It's simple and easy. All you have to do, you need a Visa card, or you can debit card, which is the most important. And if you have a PayPal, then you can easily join Taboola. And if you have any kinds of questions about traffic, or any kinds of questions about how you can set up and campaign, I will show that for you for easily. So if you want that kinds of video, then hit me on my comment sections and do let me know if you want to know. So this is the video where you can get a traffic. I will show you the revenue where I have make through Taboola to Montex. So this is my account where I have made $24.23, and all the traffic I have buy from Taboola, and it's give me a relevant amount of money in my balance account. So my content is so simple. I just show you and I just teach you where I can get it, where I have get my traffic from where country, which country, and where the main site, the main source of my traffic is that Taboola. If you wanna earn like this, just go to Taboola and research on your content and get. I will come back with another brand new video where you can get a profitable content. Bye bye.